Matthew here, sweet Jamaica. Just found a whole bunch of almonds on the ground. I pulled over to see what was going on. It looks like someone's drying them up. Anyhow, today I'm on a mission to go check out the new skate park in Jamaica. It's in Bull Bay. It's called the Freedom Skate Park. And looks like we're gonna get some sunny weather today, and I'm hoping that we're gonna get a chance to ride it before it gets soaked up again. So I'm gonna rip it over to Kingston area now. And first off, I'm gonna go to Skateboard Palace, which is a skateboard shop. I need to get some grip tape for a board. Maybe I'll get a new board, check out those guys, and then after hit the park. So let's roll. Made it, mask on, took a long time in traffic, oh my goodness, but I'm here at Skateboard Palace, Kingston, Jamaica. All right, I'm here, Skateboard Palace with Douglas.
Yes.
Getting a new board, lucky man, and look at this.
Yes, this is our new model for the reggae skate park.
Wow.
In Boys Town.
Amazing.
Yeah man, we're getting ready to build 20,000 square foot with California skate park.
So sick.
Boys Town is so excited. You know Boys Town, you been to Trenchtown?
I've passed by, but I haven't really spent much time there.
For sure. Well, I'm glad you came by, man.
No, I
really
appreciate
enjoy your show. Ras Kitchen.
Yeah, yeah.
I really enjoyed it, man.
Cool. Well, I'm
Really
so happy there's a skate shop because look at this, Douglas.
Yeah.
So I left this board in Jamaica last time I was here.
Alright.
Left it at my friend's place. He had some guest at his house who's an interior designer.
Okay.
What does she do? She rips off the grip tape and then drills holes in it and makes a shelf out of it.
Nice.
So I show up expecting to ride and my board is like all mash up. I go, oh no! What did you do? But then I figured, you know what? I kind of need a new board anyway. I'm gonna
just slap some grip tape on it.
I need some grip tape, and then I'm just gonna give this to a friend of mine here,
Cool.
and then I'll just ride this one and take home. And
Yeah man, this is a good, you got good taste, brother.
Thank
This
you.
is a real nice board. Skate Mafia, big up.
big up Skate Mafia.
Yeah man, this is a really nice board, 8.25.
Interesting graphics. I just choose all on shape, but hey, why not?
No man, it works.
It works.
Yeah man, it works.
Cool.
So I'm really glad you came to the shop, man.
All good. I'm happy to be here. Got everything. So there's, I mean, this place has more brands even than my local skate shop.
We have almost over 50 brands.
Wow. So look at you, man. A picture of you and Tiago Lemos up there.
Yeah, Thiago gave me that board in Brazil.
Skateboard Palace, people, come visit.
Yeah, man.
This is it. All the clothes you want. Deep V. Yeah, all the good brands like Baker, Flip, Skate Mafia, Maxillor, April. Just so awesome that skateboarding is just building up so much in Jamaica. And I'm so excited to hit this park, especially with a new board. Lucky. Yeah, I don't know how many boards I've been through. I stopped counting at, a few hundred.
So what's your best trick, my brother?
Damn, I don't know.
What? What do you mean you don't know? How's your ollie?
Well, the ollie's fine. The only flip trick I can do every time still is varial heel. That's my go-to.
That's not bad.
It's a good one to have. I can still do that better than kick flips,
How's your kickflip?
Shit. My kickflip is terrible.
Alright, well,
But I'm almost 40, so
growth is good.
I'll take what I can get.
The kickflip doesn't have to be the best. As long as you got good ollie and board control.
Well, I like riding mini ramp more and more lately, so.
Nice. You guys need a ramp down by Ras Kitchen, man.
Oh, it's my dream to have some wicked place in Jamaica and then build a mini ramp outside, by the water somewhere. All right. Some grip going on here. Looking good. Yeah, it's really cool. You guys have another park coming on the way. It's just awesome.
This park is gonna be so. It's gonna be. I'll roll it out.
I just got to do the edge.
Not bad, man. Clean cut.
Not bad.
No, not bad, brethren.
Just need to sand and then.
Yeah.
I always sand down the grip a bit because I don't like wrecking my shoes so quick, Let's get those trucks on there now.
You got the trucks?
Yep. And my friend should be pretty stoked because he just said, oh, I don't have a board. If you have an old one, let me know. I'm like, matter of fact, I do have an old one. Yeah, he's all good. So he just needs the board. Brand new board. Skateboard Palace. Today is going to be a very, very fun day. Thanks, Douglas. Come visit this man here. Absolute gentleman and true guy. So come support your local shop. It's very, very important.
Respect, Bridget.
All right. All right, down to the park we go. I'm here at the skate park, Freedom Skate Park. It is way bigger than I thought. It looks insane. There's proper cool pool coping. It's got a beautiful view of all these mountains here. You got the quarry. You've got Jamnesia over there. There's a surf spot just over the hill. So this is just amazing. I can't believe how nice it is. I haven't rolled on it yet. I'm just powering up on some fried chicken. Took me a lot longer to get into Kingston and get my board set up as it usually does. I was expecting to be here by 11:30 and it's now 1 o'clock or 2 or what time is it even? It's 1 o'clock, so yeah, a little later, but I am so looking forward to trying this park out. I'll do a full-on tour and some of the guys are here doing a program and where they help the kids learn how to skate. So great support from Concrete Jungle Foundation. And do a little tour of this park. Oh my God, that's gnarly. Whoa. Rails, grind box, little curb. This is crazy, man. Whoa, dear. Yeah, what a nice park. Oh my God, yeah, it's brilliant. Sick. Yes, Diego. Woo! Sick. What a place. Yeah, at least we got the breeze today though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes the overcast helps too.
Cool. Look at this hip over here. Some rollies. Little gap. Wow. And the hump. Okay, let's get warmed up. Whoa, I'm sweating already. It is 35 degrees. I guess there was a reason why it was empty, but there's a kids program starting now. So a few local guys have showed up, a few local rippers. All right, so yeah, I'm with Diego from Concrete Jungle Foundation. Can you tell me a little bit about your role here and how you got started?
Absolutely. So I got in touch with the friend about the project here in Kingston, Jamaica. This is actually 8 Mile Bull Bay. So yeah, we're here in 8 Mile Bull Bay, Jamaica. And essentially this is one of the first skate parks brought to the island, apart from DIYs and other spots that local skaters have made. But yeah, so Concrete Jungle Foundation is essentially a non-profit organization from the United Kingdom, and essentially they build skate parks in third world countries and facilitate those skate parks with subsidized youth skateboarding classes. So all our classes here at the Freedom Skate Park are free for the youth, and we offer board programs, and we try and make it more than just skateboarding. We'll do different community events, planting trees, beach pickups, trash pickups, and anything to kind of just promote positivity and the camaraderie of skateboarding, but that's the project here. This is our latest and greatest project, and yeah, all is welcome. Come on by, we'd love to have you.
plots of land. That counts. How has the response been to the skate park? I guess we can kind of tell with the kids here, but
yeah, I mean the response has been great. Maybe it took a little bit of time, but since the park had been built, the curiosity was already there. People know what skateboarding is, obviously, but to see it come to their community is like probably a little shocking. And a few of the kids took to it right away, so then it was like easy, spread like wildfire, you know. So now that we're like 3 months into our first like official program, I feel like it's been really successful.
And I heard there was a lot of community involvement, like getting people involved and hired as builders and laborers and just sort of skill building.
Yeah, throughout like the skateboard community and just Bull Bay in general, like most of the work went out right here, which is of course important when you're gonna set up something like this in the community to give back that way. So yeah, all the hands were from right here. Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, I can't wait to see everyone just rip it, and I'm sure even within 6 months it's going to be insane what all the local guys are doing. Well, probably already. I mean, I know there's some of the guys that built the gully spot that already have some solid skills.
Yeah, those guys were rippers before, but now that they have a proper park, they've actually excelled. Like they're doing stuff I never saw them do before. And then we have a handful of kids that have excelled so fast, it's shocking. You know, they're out here, you know, they live right here, so they're out here every day. Usually when it cools off a little bit, you know, in the heat of the day, there's only going to be a handful of these kids.
Yeah.
Until they dry out. It'll be exciting to see like what comes out of this, because there's already some really good skaters.
All right, so I'm with Daniel.
Yeah, bro.
Are you one of the instructors here, or what's your title here?
Yeah, actually an instructor.
Awesome.
We love to see the kids out here getting awesome and thing, but really and truly, I want to be a pro, you know, but I love to be an instructor at the same time. Really and truly, I want to be a pro because in myself, I think I'm a skater, you know. Yeah, bro, to be an instructor is really good still because a lot of kids need help with skateboard, you know. Such as me, because I never born in skateboarding. People taught me how to skate and things, so I need to teach back people so they feel comfortable with what I'm doing. And I think that way I will make it and reach somewhere in life, you know. So respect and love.
Respect. And who are some of your influences around here? Who got you into skating?
I will say Shaman, Iva,
Yep.
Ronald. Those guys I see skate, Frog Boss. All the guys who skate in 8 Mile Bull Bay, those guys influence me to skate, keep me out of trouble and all those stuff. So I appreciate all what they do for me and everyone else because I got my brother named Joshua. They also taught him how to skate too, so respect.
Well, congrats on the park, man. Enjoy it, and
bro.
hope they'll get some lines of you guys later once the sun calms down a bit. So.
Yeah, bro, respect.
Respect.
All right.
Alright, so I'm Claude A. Watkins. I do have a YouTube channel. I do teach art of photography and videography. Here with Matthew at the skate park, getting some skating done. And I'm here as well, getting some video done and all that with the whole dancing thing and everything in 8 Mile Bull Bay. Let me shoot one more, guys. For sure, take two on a dance video. You know, tough out here. Get me. Got Matthew behind the camera.
That's it.
Shout out to Matty. For sure. Big up. Alright, ready? If y'all are wondering what I'm using, this is the Weebless with the Canon 80D right here.
ADD.
Yeah, for sure. So that's my setup for today, you know? Alright, let's go.
MRBD family, put it in Roger and what's up? Yes, MRBD, dance family shoot right now. Yeah, we're taking it to them. JA.
Alright, ready.
Then I'll be right there. Jamaica, come check you, my baby. No time, no. Dog is on rotation. Another side here. Girls, there's no kiss. No time, no. Send me the location. This year about vacation. Flight catching, train taking. Soon as my nigga off probation. The boyfriend's on a waiting thing. Looking for one wish on a Ray J thing. I played that girl, outrageous thing, but she can't see cause I got shades and things.
Solid MRBD family. Money East representing.
For sure, that's it.
Proper showman right here.
Yeah, for sure.
Great guys.
Alright.
Good stuff. That was a great session. Had a good time. Got to work in the new board. You can't have a new board that's all perfect graphics, so got a little damage done on this guy anyway. It was awesome to see the kids ripping. A lot of good locals, and especially the guys that just started, the kids that don't even have skate shoes and they're still getting their way around the park and shredding around and hitting the transitions. So yeah, just a great time. I can't wait to see what happens with skateboarding in Jamaica and how it's gonna build up. And you can only imagine how talented that these kids are gonna get in even a couple of years. So awesome to see. Mad respect to Concrete Jungle Foundation for building this park and everyone else that was involved. I'm really happy that Ras Kitchen was a small contributor to raising some money towards this cause. Back in June we did a live show and raised some money thanks to the fans of Ras Kitchen, so bless up to all of you that donated. And it is a cause that's close to my heart because I've been a skateboarder since I was a kid, and it definitely kept me out of trouble as a youth, and we didn't have any kind of skate park until well into my teens. So the fact that they've got this park here for the kids and the community is great, and you can see how it's become a community hub already. It's not just skateboarders, there's bikers, there's other kids hanging out, people shoot music videos, dancing, all kinds of different social programs for everyone. So massive respect. Please do check the link for Concrete Jungle Foundation below. They're doing great stuff all over the world, not just in Jamaica, but Angola, Africa, Peru, and South America, and building parks all over the world for underprivileged youth. So bless up, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and share, and more skateboard stuff coming soon.